Hello students, welcome to KLSGIT e-lectures. So today we will be continuing with the CAMS chapter, that is unit 4. So the next part we will be seeing today is the terms used in radial cams. So here we will be focusing mainly on the radial cams and not the cylindrical cams. And as we have seen in the previous class, a radial cam is a plate like cam and a follower arrangement. So here the different terms we come across in this radial cams are the base circle, the trace point, the pressure angle, pitch point, pitch circle, pitch curve, prime circle, lift or stroke. Now what are these different terms we will be seeing in this diagram? So here you can see a cam and the follower type of arrangement. So here you can see there are various terms like the pitch circle, camshaft, pitch point, pitch curve, cam profile, prime circle, base circle, pitch point again, maximum pressure angle, trace point and so on. Now we will be seeing what are these different terms. So first we will be seeing what is the base circle. So here it defines it is the smallest circle that can be drawn to the cam profile. So now in this diagram we will see where does this base circle lie. Now if you see this, there are two circles which are drawn from the center. So the first circle is the nothing but camshaft, that is the diameter of the camshaft. So in that circle you will have the shaft and the key is placed firmly and that represents your camshaft. Outside the camshaft, the second circle what you get is the base circle. Sorry for the pixel break here. So this base circle will form the tangent to your cam profile. So that smallest circle which is possible, we call it as the base circle. The second term is the trace point. So here the definition says it is a reference point on the follower and is used to generate the pitch curve. So we'll see what this pitch curve is. In case of knife edge follower, the knife edge represents the trace point. So what does the trace point means? So we will see here. Now you have the follower and the end point of the follower traces your cam profile and that point we call it as the trace point. Now what does this trace point traces? It traces your prime circle. Now what is this prime circle? So as it is this trace point traces your pitch curve. Now what is this pitch curve? It is the curve generated by the trace point as the follower moves relative to the cam. So now here in this diagram we have the roller follower and if you see the pitch curve, it will be an offset or parallel to your cam profile because the center of the follower is the trace point. But in case of the knife edge follower, the end point or the edge of the knife acts as the trace point and your cam profile and the pitch curve will coincide. So that is the difference between the roller follower or the pitch curve traced by the roller follower and the pitch curve traced by the knife edge follower. So what is this? I'll just tell you once again. For the roller follower, the center or the trace point will lie slightly above the cam profile. Hence the pitch curve traced by the roller follower will be parallel to your cam profile. Okay, will be parallel to your cam profile. So in place of roller follower, if it is replaced by a knife edge follower, the knife edge will be resting on the cam profile. Hence the trace point will coincide or trace point will lie on the cam profile. Hence the pitch circle will be coinciding with the cam profile for knife edge follower. Next we will see what is this pressure angle is. So it is the angle between the direction of the follower motion and a normal to the pitch curve. Okay, so this angle is very important in designing a cam profile. So if this pressure angle is too large, a reciprocating follower can jam in its bearings. So here you can see the pressure angle. So you have the direction of the follower and you have the pitch circle and you have the pitch curve and a line normal to this pitch curve or perpendicular to this pitch curve and the follower motion. This angle formed will be your pressure angle. So you can see in this diagram here. So you have the follower motion and a second line which is perpendicular to your pitch curve. So that angle is nothing but your pressure angle. Okay. Next we'll see what is a pitch point. It is the point on the pitch curve having maximum pressure angle. So there are 2 points you will have on your pitch curve where the pressure angle will be maximum. Okay. So those points are called as the pitch point. Next we have the pitch circle. So from the center of this cam now, when you draw a circle, and this circle will pass between both the pitch point. Such type of circle we call it as the pitch circle in case of cams. I've already explained you what is a pitch curve. Okay, the curve traced by the trace point is called as the pitch curve. Next we will see what is a prime circle. So as per the definition, it is the smallest circle that can be drawn from the center of the cam and it tangent to the pitch curve. So earlier we had the base circle. So what was this base circle? Base circle was the smallest circle from the center of the cam having tangent to the cam profile, whereas the prime circle is again the smallest circle from the center of the cam but tangent to your pitch curve. Now we can say for the roller follower, you have your prime circle slightly greater than your base circle, whereas again for knife edge follower, your base circle and the prime circle will coincide. Do you agree with this? So here he has mentioned this note. For a knife edge and a flat face follower, the prime circle and the base circle are identical. For roller follower, the prime circle is larger than the base circle by the radius of the roller. Lastly, we will see what is lift or stroke. You already know this, so it is nothing but the maximum travel of the follower from its lowest point to the topmost position. So this diagram shows the total follower travel and that will be your stroke. So in the next class, we will be seeing about the velocity, acceleration and displacement diagram for different types of motions of the cam. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.